Good morning, everyone. Today I have a child-free morning. I am going to take it easy. This morning I'm going to hope you enjoy this cozy little relaxed morning at home with me. I feel like there's something so decadent about a bath in the day. Just put Redox Sleep Aromatherapy bubble bath in today. Wake myself up but relax at the same time. Fresh out a lovely warm bath, I feel so much better already. I use a Sunbay silicone face cleanser scrubber thingy, and I use that in conjunction with the Sukin foaming facial cleanser. This is an Australian brand that I came across when I lived in Australia. Use First Aid Beauty resurfacing liquid and just follow it with a Aldi La Cura Q10. Show you quickly what I'm wearing today. Beautiful white jumper because no toddler means no chocolate. It means no mess on my clothes. Lovely white fluffy jumper. This is from H&M. And then just a pair of basic blue crop jeans and bare feet and a little black cat, because a little black cat goes with everything, don't you? Yes you do. Little black cats go with everything. I love you. This is my girl Zuni, my original kitty. Oh, you're beautiful. People don't like black cats and I have no idea why. I think this is the coziest my living room has ever looked during the day. It is just lovely. That fire is warming the room up beautifully. I've got my magazine ready. Beautiful little wintry display of flowers on the table and a winter spice candle, making the room smell amazing. I'm going to treat myself to my friend Laurie's Yoga Nidra meditation. Yoga Nidra is a powerful and gentle meditation for total relaxation. I will link her video down below so you can enjoy this for yourself. It is about 25 minutes later than I last spoke to you. I have just come round from Laurie's Yoga Nidra and I just feel so good. I feel relaxed and a bit more refreshed than I did. A little bit of time to myself is so great. It really is. The magazine I've chosen for this morning is Bella Grace Cozy issue from 2018. The first article in here is basically how to hygge. Hygge is the Danish concept of comfort, cozy, togetherness. Gives you some ideas here. How to create a hygge environment or hygge. On the subject of hygge, I think cats are probably the most representative of hygge. They are soft, they're warm, they're purry, they're great company. They're very, very happy to be with the people that they love. This is one of my favourite articles in here. 89 beautiful days of winter. 3 months of ideas and things to do during the winter. Oh, I can get on board with the number 1. Wear fuzzy slippers and drink champagne. Sounds good to me. Number 10. Write a handwritten note to an old friend. I think this is so relevant right now. We're in the UK, we're in lockdown. We aren't allowed to see our friends and our families. And getting a handwritten note is such a lovely thing. Take a nap, yes. I can do that. Oh, send a love letter. Oh, wow. If you are single, send one to yourself. Tell you how much you love you. Wow. Maybe we could do that together. Let's do that together around Christmas. Go and see the Nutcracker. I've seen the Nutcracker when I lived in Cornwall. It was the St. Petersburg Ballet, I think, and it was wonderful, absolutely wonderful. I'm a huge fan of the ballet, and it is always so beautiful. The Nutcracker is one of my favourites. It's lovely. I'm going to watch that this year with my daughter. We're going to sit and watch it. We were in B&M the other day and she just went crazy about a Nutcracker, so she's going to be getting one of those for Christmas for her bedroom. Oh look, give a small Christmas gift to a stranger. That inspires me to just leave little gifts all over the place for people. Think, in fact, what I might do is make a batch of gingerbread or shortbread and go and hand them out to the homeless people in town, because it breaks my heart that people have nowhere to live. We've run out of biscuits, so I'm going to bake some oat biscuits this morning. I'll put the recipe down below. I'm using cups, not grams, because my scales have run out of battery and I don't have a spare. So I've had to convert it into cups, which is actually, I find, a lot easier. It's quite a simple recipe. It is 100 grams of butter, or half a cup. It's 100 grams of sugar, or 1 cup. 100 grams or 1 cup of flour. 250 grams of oats, or 2.5 cups. 1 tablespoon of golden syrup. And I'm also adding in the raisins we've got left. I've got my spoons and cups ready here. Got my bowl, my wooden spoon, and my knife for the butter. I've also got 2 baking sheets already with paper on them. So let's get cracking. I've just got about 3/4 of the way through the recipe and realised that my camera has run out of battery, and I don't know what it's recorded and what it hasn't. So I'm just going to talk you through what I've done. So first thing I've done is made a big old mess. Basically creamed together the 100 grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar and 100 grams of butter, and then add in the rest of the ingredients and just mix it. So I'm at the mixing stage now. I've also added cinnamon into this as well. And I'm going to pop the raisins in at this stage too before it gets too difficult to stir. So the cookie dough is really well combined. Got my hands in there, giving it a bit of a knead. And now I am going to just break little bits off, roll it into a ball, and pop them on baking sheets. Right, here they are, ready to go in. The recipe says it makes 40, but I've got 26 there. They will bake in there at about 190 for around 15 to 20 minutes. Right, so I've just done a super quick clean up, and now I'm going to prep dinner. This recipe is called Easy Chinese Chicken, and it's from a book called The Slow Cooker Solution, which I got at the works. So it's very, very easy. Chop your chicken, pop it in a bowl with all of your ingredients, and then chuck it in the slow cooker, and I'll put that on low until tea time, which will be about 6 hours. First step, cut up your chicken breast. The recipe says to use chicken legs or wings or something, but I don't have those in, so it's chicken breasts. The cookies, by the way, you could definitely make vegan by using vegan or plant-based butter, because that's the only thing in there that makes it not vegan. So chicken is in the bowl, and it says 2 teaspoons of grated fresh ginger. Don't have any grated fresh ginger, so I'm using ground ginger, and I'm just gonna literally just eyeball it. And garlic. Garlic I am going to measure. I'm going to measure out a teaspoon, because I've made the mistake of putting way too much garlic and stuff before. It's very easy to overestimate how much you're putting in of garlic. So 1 teaspoon of garlic. If you don't like star anise, I guess you could just leave this out. It wouldn't hurt. Beauty of cooking is that you can substitute what you have on hand. If you don't have chicken, use lamb. Lamb would be lovely in this recipe. If you don't have chicken legs, use breast. If you're vegetarian, use tofu or a large portobello mushroom. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So I'm just gonna chuck in a load of soy sauce. Whoops. And I'll adjust that again later if I need some more. It says a teaspoon of sesame oil. I don't have sesame, I have olive oil. So in goes a good glug of olive oil. Of just stirring it up to combine. So I'm going to add half a cup of water, which is 125 mils. What you end up with is a bowl full of loveliness like this. And then I'm just going to tip it straight into. It's going to go straight in here, and then we're just going to put it straight on. We'll have this later with some boiled rice and a stir fry. So now that's dinner done. The beautiful thing about a slow cooker is that it's done now, and I can just go and relax now, because I've got nothing else to do apart from get the cookies out of the oven, make myself a coffee, and put my feet up. Right, so that is dinner in the slow cooker, cooking away slowly. I think that's got about 6 hours. The cookies are looking really good. I think they might even be done. Wow. Ooh, steamy. We've steamed up, aren't we? Yep, they're ready to come out. Lovely. Look at these babies. They're very hot right now, but I'm going to make myself a coffee and let them cool down slightly. Go and indulge. This is just white sugar with cinnamon in. So there we go. As you can see, I've already taste tested, and I can say that they are really, really nice. So give them a go. Let me know what you think if you try them. Just put up Gemma Louise Miles, the gift guide for men. I don't have many men in my life, but I have a few. So I'm going to sit back with my tea and my homemade cookie and enjoy watching Gemma. I think she's fab. So you should look her up. We had a parcel waiting for us when we got home from picking us up from nursery. And it's a good job because the fire's just gone out. And this is some eco-friendly coffee grounds, fire logs. So just going to open that now. I really do like to see an eco-friendly product packaged in eco-friendly packaging. Oh, heavy. Oof. Coffee logs, fuel from recycled coffee grounds. One of the reasons that I don't use coal is because it's just not a renewable resource, and this one is. So this is what they look like. They don't smell like coffee. They do look a bit coffee-ish, but they don't smell like it. It's good to know that my addiction, stroke, habit has, can be used for good, ultimately. You with an open fire. These are by BioBean. I got them on Amazon. I'll link them below if you're interested in giving them a go as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. It's It's my first vlog, really, isn't it? And I've found it quite challenging, partly because of time constraints, but also making it interesting for you guys. I don't want you to be. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like what you see, then please consider subscribing and drop me a like. Turn on notifications if you want to know when I'm posting. It's about every week. And I will see you all in the next video. Take care.